And hello guys, today we are playing some Minecraft 1.8.1 and I did not update this. And we are playing some this Minecraft and I build a shelter now and just wait. There we go. I build some shelter now. And I got some. I'm gonna just finish this. Option easy. Let's get some. So lag because this texture pack, and let's find some. What we're gonna find? Some iron, and got animated water like that. No, I can find some cave in here. And let's get some wood. Um, with this stone axe. This is really cool, huh? And let's go in here, shuffle this up, and this stone. Let's get this tree. This is spruce tree. There we go. I think this is really okay now. And then I don't let the roof because our mob's not flying except from spider. He just will climb at the wall. He gonna climb at the wall. I have no skin now because I have no internet connection. And let's get this started. This is really cool texture pack. This is Karoma Hills texture pack, and this looks like a real torch. Look, some smoke right there. Let's go with this other roof. I just gonna go through the roof because the spider gonna climb at the wall. Where's the wood? I'm hungry now. Just make some food. And just go in there and some bowl. And I'm gonna just put the I'm gonna put some dirt because we're out of wood. So lag, right? And some circle. I think we're gonna just do some noob house. Just continue this. I'm gonna just pause the bit and I'm gonna just continue this. And here we go. I finished the roof now. Today I gonna just get some sand to make some less. There's a sand right there. Oh, this is a cave. Wait. Freaking rain. It's so lag if rain. Winter cooler. There we go. Oh my god. Get on my. I'm gonna just open the permission. There we go. Where oops, weather cooler. There we go. And I see a sand over there. Oh, a near sand. So sneaky. Ah, hate water. My God. Ah. I think this is okay. And I'm little bit some hungry. Let's eat now. And let's cook this sand. Cook pork chop and eat. Yummy. I have now wood to make some cheese. Gonna just go some wood. Lag. Let's go look up. That's my technique. And let's get this. Okay. And we're gonna just craft some chest, the largest. There we go. And craft something. Some chests. Oh, exactly. And another one. And there we go. 1 and 2. There and there. Some larges. And let's get this sound. Some sneaky glass. And this is okay. Oops. I'm gonna get this go and this glass pane. Just put over here. If I have a die, I'm gonna just get this. Gonna blue or something else. And some log. And they have no sheep around in here to get some sleep. I'm gonna just kill some. And I'm gonna just get. I'm gonna battle some. Gonna just keep all my things in my chest. Right there. And I will not gonna just say bye in the end because this I not register with my Bandicam. I have my recorder is Bandicam and I don't know what this time all about. Oops, we need some. And if gonna just automatically I'm not gonna buy and this gonna just end the video because I not register. I get some new laptop. This is my new laptop and I build this a minute and oops, need some another glass pane. Oh well, exactly 16. Yeah, it's exactly 16. And I'm gonna just end the video now and bye.